Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 3, Exercise Sum number 3. Arun and Selvam are partners who maintain their capital accounts under fixed capital method. From the following particulars, prepare capital accounts of partners. So, if you take what they given here, Arun and Selvam's details are given here. From this information, we are going to prepare the fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, each partners maintains two accounts. What are they? That is partners capital accounts and partners current account. Okay, so as per the format, first we have to mark the which transactions will be appears on capital account, which transactions goes to appears on current account. Okay, so capital on 1st January 2018 is this is the capital accounts. So capital opening balance of the capital accounts will appears on capital account credit side. Current account on 1st January 2018 means they have given here clue current account. 1st January means opening balance of the current account. Okay, opening balance of the current account will appears on current account credit side. Then additional capital introduced during the year will be appears on capital account credit side. Withdrawal for personal use will be, which means drawing. Personal use means what? Drawings. Okay, so drawings will be appears on current account debtor side. Interest on drawing will be appears on current account debtor side. Share of profit will be appears on current account debtor credit side. Okay, then interest on capital will appears on current account credit side, commission current account credit side, and salary current account credit side. So according to this format, we are going to prepare fixed account, which means partners capital account and partners current account. Okay, so partners on fixed capital accounts, first go to partners capital accounts. The format you know very well, like it's similar to ledger account. On left hand side debtor, date, particulars, name of the partners we have to enter respectively enter here. On right hand side creditor, date, particulars, respective partners name we have to enter here. According to the capital accounts, capital partners introduction of the capital and additional capital will be appears on credit side. Okay, so as per the format, we have to write 2018 January 1 by balance brought down means opening balance of the partners capital amount. Okay, 20,000 for Arun and 2,20,000 for Arun's and 1,50,000 for Selvam entered. And additional capital introduced during the year by bank account. Arun didn't introduce additional capital during the year. Selvam introduced 70,000 additional capital during the year. Okay, there is no permanently withdrawn from the capital. Okay, so now we are going to close the account. So for that, Arun's total is 2,20,000. Selvam's total is 2,20,000. If you get total on credit side, then the closing balance is to be recorded on debit side, right? So as per the format, you have to write two balance carried on. This means closing balance. Arun's closing balance is 2,20,000. Selvam's is 2,20,000. Okay, so closing balance date is 31st December 2018. Opening balance date is 2018 January 1. So closing balance dated on closing balance is 31st December 2018. Then you have to brought it down to this amount to the opposite side, and below the total you have to enter 20,000, 2,20,000 and 2,20,000 accordingly. Then against this amount you have to write by balance brought down. The next accounting period is 1st January 2019. Listen, what is the next day of this date? 31st December 28. The next day is 1st January 2019. So this is the opening balance of the next accounting period. Opening balance means capital. Okay, for the next accounting period is 2,20,000 for Arun's and 2,20,000 for Selvam. So we prepared partners capital account. Now we are going to prepare partners current account. Okay, so partners current account, the opening balance of the partners current account is on credit side dated on 1st January 2018 by balance brought down. Selvam's current account opening balance of the current account is 10,000 rupees. Arun will not contribute the account. amount. Okay, then by profit or and loss appropriation of the account to 22,000, 15,000 respectively, share of profit. So as per the format, we already marked the transactions in the question. So as per that, we have to enter here. By interest on capital, commission, salary is to be entered on credit side. On debit side, you have to write to balance brought down. Listen here carefully. Current account 1st April 1st January 2018 is Arun's current account opening balance is 4,250 rupees is to be entered on debtor side. Okay, so you go to debtor side, dated on 1st January 2018, Arun's current accounting opening balance is 4,250. On debtor side, you have to write to balance brought on. Okay, then Selvan's current account on 1st January 2018, opening balance of the current account is 10,000 rupees. You have to enter it on credit side. So you go to credit side, you have to write the dated on 1st January 2018 by balance brought on. Selvan's amount, current account opening balance of the current amount is 10,000 rupees is entered. Okay, then rest of the transaction you have to enter as per the format. Okay, then to drawings account 10,000, 20,000 respectively, to interest on drawings 7,750 rupees and 600 rupees respectively entered on debit side. Then we have the higher value on credit side. So you get the total for Arun's total is 30,000 and Selvan's total is 32,600. If you get the total on credit side, then the balancing figure, that means the closing balance will be is to be entered on debit side. So you have to find out the difference between debit and credit. You get 15,000 rupees and 12,000 rupees for Arun and Selvam respectively for the closing balance. So against this you have to write to balance carry down dated on 31st December 2019. Okay, then you have to brought it down to the opposite side below the total. You have to enter 15,000, 12,000. Against this you have to write by balance brought down dated on next accounting period, date is 2019 January 1. Okay, so this is the next accounting period opening balance of Arun's 15,000 and Selvan's 12,000 rupees. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.